Okay, so with all the hype around the new GoPro Hero 9 and the image stabilization, I wanted to bring it out and do a real world test. So I took it out for a bike ride and I used two settings. I used 5K 25p and I used the wide angle lens setting with just the hyper boost on. And I also used the same settings of 5K 25p, but this time I used the linear mode on the lens with the Horizon Levelling and the boost attached. So in the video, you're going to see exactly how they compare and how well it actually worked with me riding a mountain bike around Weymouth. That'll do.
And you don't realize how with a walk down the alley you got me twice. Caught my eye, caught my hunger, and I'm caught in half. And now I'm stuck in the mud till you realize, oh, I can see the bright from the sky in the morning light. Light from the sky burns, and you see me come around from the other side. Come on and set the light in me, the light in me. You ought to know I get pretty messed up in your sight.
How's the windbreak doing on the camera?
If you treat me right, no, I'm a steady.
So I'm using the GoPro microphones, not the media attachment. So see how the wind noise cancellation does.
The sky burns.
Okay, so we're now on 5K on the Hero 9, and now I've turned off the stabilization boost, so it's just on the normal stabilization 3.
In me, the light in me.
So it'd be interesting to see what the in-camera audio is like with the high wind and also the stabilization with and without boost. Pretty cool. Oh, dogs ahead. Really powering now, and the bike's going left to right a lot. See if that stabilization works.
I get pretty messed up in your sight. You know I'm already with you. Treat me right. No, I'm as steady as a shaking light. You know it's real. You know it's real. Can see the bright from the sky in the morning light. Light from the sky burns.
Slightly different way now. It's all good. Let's go off on the pavement.
From the other side, come on and set the light in me, the light in me. Ooh, let
wobbling about quite a bit, see what that looks like around the corner. And some bumps. Turn off in a sec. Bumps, 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 bumps. Let's go with this big bump, see what happens. GoPro, stop recording.